I want to video this. Where'd he
You
go?
want me to catch him? He's on the blinds on the floor.
On the floor?
Yeah, all the way on the floor.
Oh, I see him. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, he's a butterfly.
Butterfly's a moth.
Oh, he's a butterfly and he's injured.
Get closer.
Oh, he's
Get
bleeding.
closer. She's scared of cat.
Shut up. Taking his picture.
Okay, pick him up and throw him out.
He's so pretty. He's like a bird.
Does it look like he has eyes on his back?
Like how many? How many eyes on his back?
No, you know, like the design of his pattern looks like he has eyes. No?
Hold on, I'll show you his picture right now. He's beautiful. He's a bird.
He ain't a bird. Can we get him?
It's a bird. We feed him. See, I don't know how he would eat him. You're gonna make him fly crazy again. Oh my God, he's asleep again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go away, guy. Go away. Go help him.
Well, I don't want to smack him because then he's gonna be
Asleep
again.
Asleep again. Here, turn the light off. Go, guy. Where is he? Oh, fuck. Ah! No!
It's gone.
No, he went in my clothes.
Babe, what did you?
Oh, he got me in the neck and then he turned. Ah! He's on me! Is he on me? Oh,
No. Look at Tootsie's crying. Come here, Tootsie.
What is he doing?
Tootsie, come here.
Inside you.
Come here, Tootsie.
Oh.
Come here. Come here.
Please, you're
Come
scared.
here. Come here, Tootsie.
Such a dumbass.
Scared him. Her.
Oh, I think I peed.
Okay.
Oh, I did pee.
It's okay.
Oh,
You
where
scared
is
her?
it?
I don't know.
Tootsie, me too, hug me. I'm crying too. Oh, that was so scary. Oh, that was so. She don't give a fuck about me. She's like, what's it gonna get me? That's all she cared about.
Shake it out. Shake it out.
Oh, I saw it. Cover.
I know there was a name on here. I don't know what the hell happened.
Oh,
I probably
Fuck up your phone.
you know why he came to me, right?
Because you had the light, stupid.
Oh, I have tears in my eyeballs. Oh.
Now we don't know where he went.